This one. Wow, that's a good one. Ooh. Oh god. Oh god. Don't break me off. Oh my goodness. Dude, he's pulling so hard. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, the other day I went fishing and I was actually trying to film some shorts. I was putting my kayak in the spot that I thought was going to be kind of mid. Thought I was only going to catch maybe one fish and make a short out of it. But I ended up catching, several fish. So I ended up making this into an entire video for you guys. Some of the footage is vertical because I thought I was going to make a short, not actual video. But without further ado, I'm just going to shoot you into the video anyways. I think it was a pretty fun day, so check it out. Today we're putting my kayak in the Chattahoochee River. I'm right here at a creek that dips straight into the Chattahoochee, and we're gonna be fishing for shoal bass, spotted bass, largemouth, panfish, whatever we can catch. So let's see what happens. Oh yeah, already? You're kidding me, dude. Already? Oh, I lost him. The guy I just talked to at the ramp said it was a super slow day. He said there wasn't much action at all, and I've literally been fishing for what, 7 minutes? Yeah, this is gonna be a good day. Oh my gosh, dude, I just went over like a two pound shoal bass. Kayaked right over him. This one, there we go. Ooh. Oh, nice, baby. There we go. Such a pretty fish. I haven't caught a shoal bass in a while. Look at that one, baby. A little shoaly, not even a pound, probably about 11 inches long on the Ned rig. Oh yeah. Oh, it's a little bit better. Oh yeah. Nice. Wow, that's a good one. Come here. Come here, boy. Oh, nice. That right there is a solid pound and a half shoal bass, baby. Let's go. Number 2 on the day. Ooh, beautiful fish. There we go. Still small. Ooh! Ooh, he just woke up. God. I love shoal bass. It's a fatty. Oh, golly. Look at the gut on that thing. The camera doesn't really do it justice, but this boy has been eating. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh God. Had him. Oh, I had him. I had him. I tossed back in there with a rooster tail because couldn't catch it on the Ned rig. I kept getting bit. There's something. Well, there's bluegill in here too. There we go. Little spotted bass, baby. Maybe the rapids have more spotted bass. Oh God, got one. Oh, it feels, is this a fish? It feels good. Oh God, oh God, don't break me off. Oh my goodness, dude, he's pulling so hard. Oh my gosh. Come here. Good shoal bass. Nice. Let's go. Look at that, baby. On the crankbait. I parked my kayak over on the side, got out, and God, it paid off. It's my first crankbait fish of the day, too. So that's a heavy fish. It's chunky, healthy, beautiful colors on it. Solid 1.5 pounds. Let's go for the release. Bye-bye. Guys, the shoal bass were there. Caught some good sized shoal bass. Caught a spotted bass, caught a bluegill. That spot was super cool. If you want me to go back, or if you like these river fishing videos, let me know about dropping a like, comment, and subscribe down below. Other than that, I will see y'all in the next video. Peace.